Thanks for clicking. Today's video, we're gonna be doing some ice fishing for some beautiful brook trout, eating some good food, and having a good time. So stay tuned, it's gonna be a good one. Finally all set up here. Just dropped down. We're at a new spot today, just across the lake from where we've been fishing the last, I don't know, 5 or 6 videos. So drop her on down and see if we got any luck here. All we're using today, just a pink jig head and a worm, like we've been doing the last forever here. Oh, if you guys can see, just like so. Just kind of thread the worm on like a jig tail. See if she works. Oh, I got one on the drop. Oh, he came off. I didn't even see. Anyway, like I was saying, my jig head was dropping down. I looked down and I didn't see it, so I figured it was in the mud in the bottom. But sure enough, it was a fish. On the drop again. There we go, got him that time. Oh, he's nice. Nice, first fish of the day. Oh. There you go, sorry guys. You guys will see him on the GoPro though. Nice, that didn't take long. Tore out my worm a bit, so we gotta get a fresh one. On the drop though, they like it on the drop. Alright, let's send it back down and be ready this time. Alright, new plan. Caught that one there. I love sight fishing and getting you guys an underwater view, but I think the name of the game today is hole hopping. So I think I'm gonna do some of that. Keep walking, bring an auger, bring my worms. Give each hole like about 5-10 minutes and then move on. So stay tuned. Let's do some hole hopping. Okay, we got the auger, scoop, rod, worms. Let's do it. Alright, we're not far from where we just were, but let's drop it on down. Not super deep here, which is good. Give each spot like 5-10 minutes, like I said, and then keep moving. Want to keep going this way. I've never been over there, so might as well give it a try. So I'm gonna keep cutting holes that way. You guys keep an eye on that rod. All right, new plan here. We're gonna take things over there. It just looks juicy to me, and I haven't had a whole lot of luck over here. So try a new spot. Never been over there before, so see how she goes. All right, I made it. The spot just looks juicy to me. Right in the trees here, right off this point. So let's drill a couple holes and get fishing. All right, it's really tough to drill holes today because all the overflow. It's like getting late in the season. It's March already, so the ice is starting to melt and water comes up over. So there's another layer of water. There's a layer of ice and there's water and there's ice. So it's really hard on my blade. So I gotta use my hatchet. So I think I'm gonna drill one more hole here. I like this spot. Right off a good point here. So I'm gonna cut through the first layer of ice with my hatchet and then use the auger the rest of the way. See, there's a layer of water here. That's that overflow. There's a layer of ice right here that I can get under. See, my blade's gone under. So my blade, it spins and it tries to go under and gets stuck. So if I get through this layer first, it'll help my blade out. All right, all that hole drilling and marching around got me hungry, so let's make lunch here. I got a Thai peanut cashew salad, so let's make it. That out. Oh yeah. Let's give her a mix. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. Fish on me, guys. Fish on me. I was putting my dish away and I looked down. There's a fish right there. And I put my dish down. And I think I spooked him. Oh, he's back. He's back. He just little. Shoot, just a little guy. I was putting my dish away and my dish hit the floor and then kind of made a bang and spooked him a bit. But oh well. At least we're seeing fish. Oh, I just did a little outro saying what happened to that fish and he came back and ate it. Look at him. He'll be on GoPro for sure. I was just saying what happened. That's kind of crazy. Little brook trout. Just a wee lad. Oh. Just a wee lad. Send him home. See you later. Sweet, second fish of the day. Super slow today, but I've also been moving a ton and yeah, but hey, it's all right. All right, haven't had a whole lot of luck fishing. 2 fish, but Let's try our luck with the roll up to win. Ah! Please play again. Maybe next time, eh? Oh well. Well, I stopped recording for a second and a big one came. Oh, that's a nice one. Of course, I didn't have any cameras on, but beauty. Let's get some light in here. Whoa. Oh, he's gone. Sorry. Yeah, I think you guys seen him. He just came left to right and hammered it. No questions asked. Awesome, that was beauty. That's the best fish of the day for sure. I had a big old chunk of worm on there. He just hammered it. Big old chunk. Big bait for big fish. One just came in and smoked me. My worm is still there. I see him. I can see him. We're gonna catch him. I can see him. Okay, dropping it down here. Got him! Just like that. Beauty. Oh, he's pretty. Look at that guy. He's beauty. There you go. You guys can see him good. Oh, he's ready to go. See you later. Thanks for biting. There he goes. That was pretty cool. He came in, smoked my worm. So I brought it up, turned the camera on as quick as I could, put another worm on, dropped it down, crushed it. Well, you guys just watched that on the GoPro, that hole. I don't know how long that was. It probably at least 5 minutes for this guy. Big in. Came like multiple times back and forth. Was really picky, not wanting to eat it, but finally got him. Beauty. Let's let him go. All right, I just caught that nice one on that GoPro there. You guys seen all that. That was pretty sweet. Hope you guys enjoyed that footage, but I think it's time to wrap it up here. I've been fishing for quite a while here. Got here early, so had a good time, eat some good food. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for clicking. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.